Hey y'all, I wanted to give a shout out to Marissa for allowing me to have in my possession this beautiful Igbo mask. Yes, isn't it beautiful and gorgeous? See it from the side? So I just wanted to give you a shout out and, also give thanks to everyone who has been supporting Mama as she went on her travels and everything. Y'all give me a minute. Give me a minute, okay? I'm going to sit. I'm going to sit it down. Hang on, y'all. So I'm back, and I just wanted to give, oops. I'm back. I just wanted to give Marissa a shout out, and as you all can see, Mama has lost her weight, and Mama need them pounds back. I need my pounds back now, okay, y'all? But don't put them here when y'all give them back. Mama don't want them here no more, okay? She wants y'all to put them here, okay? Down here. Okay, and then don't give me none here. Give them to me probably in the little thigh area, okay? Not in the thigh area, because can I talk to y'all? Now, I don't know how many of you all are aging like I am. So, I guess this will be a video about weight gain. When you get to be up in them 40s, be prepared to get you some pounds around the midsection. See that? The midsection begins to expand. See there? The midsection is expanding, you all. Right here, there are plops. I know y'all gonna say, Mom, you got to do you some sit-ups and all of that. Them things don't work when you get up here. Y'all, in 3 weeks, I'll be 50. I'll be 50 years old. Look at these big old arms, these little ham shanks. I got to paint in here, y'all. I went ahead and painted this whole entire bathroom just for the man to come in here and make a mess. He shaved all of the paint down. He's talking about he was smoothing it out so that he can resurface it, and he never came back. Shame on him. And so anyways, and then I had an electrician to come out and put a stink vent up in the ceiling. I'm gonna let y'all hear it. This is a brand new one. Okay, which is much better than the last one. The last one was like, the old one. So I said, let me get it out. So he came over, he went in the attic. It was about 100-something degrees. He almost died up there. And I thought I was going to have to call the fire department, honey. And, God in heaven, he almost died. And so he burst the hole in my ceiling to get out from up there. So he got another guy to come out to go ahead and put the stink vent in. And he went ahead and put me a new ceiling up here. And he was a cussing and he was fussing. He was like, don't let his ass come over here and do nothing else. When you need a real electrician, please call me. Because he was cursing and I was cursing too. But, the guy's safety was far more important. I don't need nobody dying up in my attic, y'all. Then I'm going to lose my house, okay? Because I only got $100,000 worth of insurance on here for, bodily injury and bodily harm. But $100,000 does not replace a life. So from now on, I would not allow anyone in my attic in the dead of summer. I didn't realize how hot it was up there, but he almost died. He almost honestly died. And you can smell the smell of death all over the place and stuff like that. But so anyways, I said all of this to say this right here. Even when I turn this on, I'm not getting any light action, as you can see. No light action. No light action. Oh, you got to get dead up on the mirror where you can see all of the little fuzzies from me washing this off. The little fuzzies from me washing it off. But anyways, guys, look, let me tell you something. Y'all, look. Y'all, Mama will be documenting with you witchcraft, hoodoo, everything, the South, the drought, the weather, and the weight. When y'all women get in y'all 40s, I'm telling you, you better fight like hell not to let this tire get around your stomach when you get in these 40s. When you're in your 30s, you got youth on your side. You hit these 40s. When I got to be 39, 40, all of a sudden I started getting a pooch. Then it expands as you grow older. Now you seeing this pooch at 50. See that? Look at this pooch. 50 years old, the waistline not only rounds itself out. That's why you got to be careful. You can't eat like you used to. But it also expands outward. Okay? And it gives you a mushroom shape. A flubber bubber. Let y'all see this from the side. Y'all see that? See that? See that? Look at that. When I'm on video, this is what you're seeing. This is a kidney issue. You got that bump at the top right below your breast. You got a kidney issue. That's why I shouldn't chose that name Naima. Look up Naima. People who choose the name Naima will have bladder and kidney issues. Here it is. See that? You got a bulge at the top because most bulges should be here as you grow older, not at the top. What's causing the kidney problem? Kidney issues are mostly inherited. My grandmother on my father's side was on a dialysis machine. My grandmother on my mother's side wound up on a dialysis machine. So I got to fight like hell to take care of my kidneys. The issue with the kidneys is not only it's a hereditary issue. Look at that. Bulge. All this the kidney. All of this around the waist is a kidney problem. Now, that's what I read. I don't know how true that is. But I'm going to assume they know what they're talking about and start taking care of mine. I infuse my kidneys every day with dandelion tea to get all of the corrosion and all out the kidneys and try to be as easy on them as possible. Now I'm doing like my health issues at this point because I'll be 50 once again. And guess what? Youth is no longer on your side. Youth said, well, see you later. You on your own now, okay? Because even in the 40s, I was well protected. What should I be looking here or here? So I guess this right here is what you would probably call a weight issue video. Let me get a little closer so y'all can see that a little close. Y'all see that? You don't get no washboard abs when you hit these 50s. Well, I'm going. Look at that. That's bulge. That's bulge. I need to go and see one of them plastic surgeons. No, I'm just teasing. It's best to do it the natural way. It's a shame. I can lift that up. See, this is bulge. All of it is bulge. I'm not making fun of myself. I'm just saying, you know, for all of you all who are hitting them 40s, if you take care of the situation when you first encounter it, you can avoid pitfalls like this. Now, another thing I've noticed that right in here, I'm collecting like fat pouches here. And that's because this area is starting to drop. You see, so you can go to a plastic surgeon for some of you and lift that up, or you can deal with it like I am, the natural way of saying you age gracefully. The main thing is to get the upper weight under control and this portion under control. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going outside to rate, to walk, to take care of things, to address things and everything. But I put the salt shaker down, and after putting the salt shaker down, I'm noticing an improvement in this upper area. Okay. So now I can pinch this and sort of my waistline is starting to return. Other than that, I would not have shown you all what was going on up in here. So I'm doing the teas. I'm doing all of the, I'm doing the dandelion tea to flush the kidneys. The kidneys are overwhelmed. Okay, I'm not only talking about my kidneys, I'm talking about our kidneys. And if you want your kidneys to last you until you can get, you see what I'm saying, older, then you got to take care of them. That's where I'm at right now. So I'm doing kidney flushes with dandelion, liver flushes. This is also a liver issue. Okay, that's liver. All of this is liver issue, kidney issue. This is obesity. Okay, I am morbidly, I'm considered what they consider morbidly obese. Now, I'm not making fun of myself because I know people are going to say, you don't look like you're morbidly obese. Well, according to the standards in the United States of America, they will consider someone with a mushroom top as being morbidly obese. And back in the day, you know, you go back 5 years ago, I was like, okay, I go to the gym. I do what I'm supposed to do. Then I stopped. I'm paying a gym membership, y'all, of $50 a month and not going. So you just tend to kind of like backslide. Don't backslide. Stay active. Don't allow this to get on your body. Because it's, you know, over time you neglect it, you forget, and then eventually you are in a situation you cannot get yourself out of. People treat you differently when you have pounds on you. I am a living witness. Since I have dropped most of this because I stopped eating in restaurants, people react differently now to me, honestly. Okay, I was definitely alienated. I thought it was the dreads and everything, but there is something different going on. People are actually initiating conversations. They're engaging in conversations, and at the point I could not realize. I didn't know what was going on. Now I realize what is going on. As the weight drop off, people feel a little bit more comfortable talking to you. Okay. I know it sounds crazy. I mean, I'm only talking about my own situation, that people are engaging in conversations. When I had this big, huge, protruding mushroom top, I mean, it was really getting out of control. Y'all seen it. It was getting to the point I felt like, you know, I was, you know, from another planet, you know, because no one, I mean, everybody was like, you know, just short and going on. So people in Western society will treat you a certain kind of a way if you got the bulge, if you're battling the bulge, and I'm still battling the bulge. Will I ever get myself like I was when I was young and in high school, my 20s and 30s? I don't think so. It would take some type of surgical intervention to get there. But I say every woman needs a little pooch, because I say that our gifts are here. I'm growing a little wiser now, and I don't think me being skin and bones would be healthy looking. I don't think it would look good on me. I like to keep some weight, at least some weight, but not here. More or less there, and probably here. I'm not necessarily interested in the butt thing. I think it's a fade and a fad right now. No, it's a fad. I'm sorry. It's a phase at this point, because who knows, so many years from now, you know, feet may be in, you know. I remember one time boobs were in, and I lost my boobs too, y'all, as you all can see. I lost my boobs as soon as I came to the hobby farm. My boobs just died. They went away. Look at this, no boobs. What caused this? Y'all remember I had them boobs? Can y'all see that? Let me see. Lift up a little bit. It's not gonna show them, but y'all, you can see a little bit of it. Y'all remember I had some of the nicest full boobs. And when I came out to the hobby farm, I started doing a lot of upper strength labor, like raking and all of that. And all that went away. And my arms got a little buffer. As you can see, I can almost make a muscle. It put weight on my arms and my shoulders too, because I was actually manhandling and shoveling with a wide shovel, just lots of rocks, bricks, every damn thing. So the hobby farm wore me out, like I was trying to explain to y'all in the other videos, man. Mama be wore down. Not necessarily just from the spiritual work, but just at the hobby farm. We're working constantly on this house, trying to get it to a point where you can just have people over, have company coming over and stuff. And people, I got 3 people that, I want to come in person and get my readings. I said, give me a minute. We're going to do this over the phone. You know, people wanting to come by. So I'm just trying to do most of the readings over the phone right now because it's just, I want y'all to be comfortable. You know what I'm saying? I got to get my furniture in. My floors got to be finished. And I just want people to be comfortable, you know, whatever. Somebody named Rachel. Hey, Rachel. Girl, why you scared? I've been trying to call you back. You called me and I've been trying to call you back. You ain't answered your phone. Are you scared? Okay. I heard you. What you say? You got me by 2 months. You got me by 2 months. You think you got me by 2 months. But I'm older than you think. I'm really 66 years old. I got you, girl. It's only my magical potion of the fountain of youth that keeps me looking young like this, okay? But I'm actually 66, so no, you don't have me. I'll be 67 years old this year, okay? Who knows? I may be 77. I may be 87. No one knows truly how old I am. I will keep you all guessing. Not even the United States of America knows how old I am because I don't have a birth certificate. Did you all know that? Mama don't have a birth certificate. Technically, because I was adopted, I don't exist. A lot of people in Alabama that were born in homes don't have birth certificates. They don't. So anyways, y'all, I'm here, and so I said reaching these 50s, I might be reaching 80s. Okay? So y'all can put me down for the record as the oldest woman, 80 years old. That looks really, really good. Because you don't know what spirit is in me. It's an 80-year-old spirit could be in me right now, or a 90-year-old spirit, or a 100-year-old spirit inside of this body. So my age is going to change and fluctuate. Do y'all like that swamp witch? I had somebody call me and say, I want to speak to that old swamp witch. That's that old swamp witch that was on the bed the other day. Did y'all hear? She was tired. She was really worn out. Sometimes she inhabit my body. And when she's in my body, she talk about all her problems, honey. Of all them hard times she was having. Y'all saw that video. Somebody even said, Mama, you just need to take it easy, Mama. You know, just take it away. Tell the swamp witch to take it easy, okay? This is not the swamp witch right now. You all don't know all of the different, you know, spirits that, I thought everybody knew all the different spirits that inhabit my body by now. Sometimes the old Big Mama might come out. Madil might come out. The swamp, they're going to talk about ailments. Some of them going to be talking about their heart bad. Some of them going to be talking about their blood pressure bad. Some of them going to be talking about they got a bad liver and a bad kidney and bad lungs and they do, my body do take on their ailments and their sicknesses when they come inside of me. I was thinking that people understood that. I was really, really, really shocked when I saw that this particular person, I thought they knew me well when they said, Mama, just take it easy. I thought you knew me. I got different spirits in him. I can't control them. I hear people saying that, oh, you know, you don't need to be using them spirits. You can just do yourself. This body is a conduit. It's a vessel. Everybody's body is not like my body. My body is a vessel for spirits to go in and out. They call us channelers. I channel. I'm a medium. Different spirits are going to come in. I may come here act a fool. I may come here like I'm dying. And I don't know what to do. I'm taking on a persona of a spirit, y'all. Y'all ain't got it yet. Come on now. You're going to hear me burping. So I'm going to leave out. When you hear me burping, if you hear me farting, if you hear me blurp or brrr, they're leaving the body. Come on. Yeah, I thought it was some folks out there that knew this. Okay, I'm going to have to break it down in a video. I'm going to have to sit down. I'm going to go outside where I can get some fresh air. And I can talk to y'all and explain to y'all that you're seeing different various spirits that are bringing to you their personalities. Some of them may talk about, like one spirit said, she came to y'all and she told y'all, I died November of 2014. She died. She come to my body. It's going to be some spirits that's going to be talking about their death experience and everything. So now that y'all understand that, I'm going outside to explain more. But watch this pooch, y'all. Don't let this get on you. Let me show it to you. See that? Look at that. Don't let that get on you. And don't do nothing about it, because mama working feverishly to get this pooch off. Then I hear some men, oh, ain't nothing wrong with that, mama. That ain't nothing but love. Yeah, you saying that, but I don't see you walking around with no woman. Okay, when you in the stoves and everything, you going to the parties and the family reunion, you ain't walking around with no woman got down like this right here on her. See? I ain't got nobody out there take mama to dinner. Only one person, Gabriel, that was so sweet of you, took mama to dinner, and somebody else was trying to take me to dinner to get fish and everything when I was in Birmingham. Who is going to take mama to dinner? Mama will put on her finest witchy dress outfit. I love seafood. If you in the Mobile area, cause I'm like near Mobile now. If you're in the Mobile area, okay, and you want to take mama to have something very nice to eat, some seafood or something like that, I'll wear my finest and my best if you're not ashamed to go out to eat with a swamp witch. So hit me up. I'm going to be looking in my inbox to see who's going to invite me, because I was invited a couple of times by Gabriel and the other guy. I forgot his name and everything. You're on my Facebook. I don't know if you're on my YouTube. But that time I couldn't go because Mr. Willie said, well, who is this? Because if you going with them, I'm going too. I'm going too. So if you can accommodate me and Mr. Willie, we'll go together, because Mr. Willie is a very jealous man, maybe because he ain't doing the right thing. Y'all know Mr. Willie ain't doing right. That's why I had to send that kangaroo at his ass, okay? Now, don't forget, I'm a wicked witch. Mama put a kangaroo on you in a minute. Y'all know ain't no kangaroos. When he called me, I told y'all it was a client of mine. It's a client of mine already. It was Mr. Will. But seriously, I'm going to tell you what happened. I didn't intend to get him. I was concentrating on a target. But all I could see was Mr. Will in his truck. Damn. I was supposed to have been working on, somebody gave me a job, and they wanted some work where they wanted to punish one of their enemies, and they took a picture, sent me a picture of their car, and I said, you know, well, we're going to be working on this particular person. We're going to scare them. You know what I'm saying? We're going to scare them off the road. But all I could see was Mr. Willie. You know, my focusing was kind of off. Now, y'all might judge me and say I'm wrong and everything, but well, like I said, once again, I'm a wicked witch. I'm a dark-natured witch, and I'm not talking about my skin color. I'm talking about the work that I do, okay? Because the situation was warranted. I verified it. I divined it, and the person needed justice because there was someone that was doing them wrong. And I decided, I said, well, okay, I'll get my target together. I concentrated on it, but I just couldn't see nobody but Mr. Willie, and a kangaroo actually came out on Mr. Willie, but he was safe and he was fine. He had no problems, but he was shocked to see a kangaroo hop in front of him. He dodged, but it could have been worse. Now, I know you want to know about the person. The person who actually wanted the work actually got what they wanted, okay? Because the person did lose their job. The person that was ailing my client lost their job, okay? But sometimes, sometimes. Some of these things are boomerangs, so witches have your brains clear, have your minds and your intentions clear, okay? And I do practice dark magic. I'm the dark magician. If people come to me and say this is what they want, I do it. Okay, and mama been under fire for her voodoo doll. Mama been under fire by troll. But mama, that ain't doing it but encouraging me to progress to the next level, because if it wasn't working, if it wasn't working, if it wasn't real, then no one would be paying no attention to me, because there's a whole lot of folks out there, you know. But something is very special about myself, because we got lots of people out there that are doing work and their work is not working. But guess what? I'm famous right now. People rather concentrate on me. You know, I don't mind. I'll take the publicity. But if you do need that type of work done, you know you can come to mama, okay? Mama can show you who your enemies are. Mama will call their names. In some situations, I will give you their license plates. Now, I don't do that all the time, but I have done that and gotten lucky one time. That's what y'all say. The skeptics say, you got lucky. Okay, but anyways. So that kangaroo darted out. Kangaroos? Come on, y'all. Kangaroos in Alabama. Kangaroos? And there was no report of a kangaroo escaping from the zoo, unless somebody around here had one and they had no business with one. What y'all think? Anyways, y'all, I'll be back. I'll talk to you all later, okay? Don't get scared of mama, okay? Mama's a trickster. I have a trickster spirit. I work with the Joker. Mr. Willie got a trickster spirit too, as you all can say. See, and his work actually is stronger than mine's. Papa Willie work is stronger than mine's. But what's so good about it is Papa Willie works with me. So if there is a target that I need to hit, then all I got to do is just talk to Mr. Willie about it. Because Mr. Willie was so clever, he avoided that kangaroo, which was a good thing, you know, because it was not intended for him. But he avoided that kangaroo. If he didn't have the spirits working with him, my craft would have definitely, you know, done some harm. Woo, Mr. Willie, you better watch out. I think my power's getting stronger than yours. Mr. Willie's up into his mid-50s, on his way to 60s. So, you know, he's showing up. Ain't nothing, he ain't gonna be nothing to play with. Y'all think mama gonna be able to keep him in line? Huh? Okay. I got to always keep an upper hand on your man. You got to always be 2 steps ahead of your nigga man. Okay? Always be 2 steps. And a nigga man come in many colors. Okay? He ain't just black. A lot of y'all got nigga mans and they white. Okay, I don't know about Asian men. I don't know. But I have had people to call that had white nigga man. They have had Hispanic nigga man. They have nigga man come in all colors. Can y'all agree with me, women? Okay, because a nigga man is a man that you got to always stay up on. Hello? Hello? You got to always keep your skills sharpened on a nigga man. Okay, y'all gonna get mad with me, so I can expect plenty of thumbs down. Plenty of thumbs downs mean that, you know, it is definitely reaching out to you and stepping on some toes and keeping you upset and angry. People don't realize that the thumbs down are confirmation that the message, you understand, is getting to your gizzards, your liver, your heart, and your intestines, okay? Big mama call them intestines. But we know it's intestines, okay? Because I have to correct folks out there. They'll be like, oh, she thinks that's intestines. They're always looking for some humor in everything mama do. Keep me trending, okay? Make sure you subscribe, okay? Come on, y'all. Come on, subscribe. If you subscribe, then YouTube will let you know when I make videos, okay? So subscribe and rate and support the channel with plenty of comments, okay? If your comment, I think, is not deserving of being on the channel, it will be removed, okay? No questions asked, okay? Okie dokie. Well, we'll talk later. Bye-bye.